I've made many friends in my time here at Molloy. The School of Business in particular is very supportive of their students, and they're always looking for students just like me who are majoring in accounting to be communicating with each other and work together on projects. My accounting capstone course really stood out to me because the curriculum was all brought together from all of my accounting courses, and I also had the opportunity to do a really big presentation. Due to the Molloy School of Business's networking opportunities, I was able to secure a full-time job with Ernst Young. I'll be working in their audit practice beginning this fall. I do want to become a CPA, a certified public accountant, and I really think that Molloy's Business School has prepared me. I feel that all of the classes that I've taken have prepared me to study for the CPA exam. I want to say a huge thank you to Molloy University. I'm so grateful for all the people that I've met, for all the faculty for supporting me throughout the way. I couldn't have done it without them.